This is my reckoning, raw and real. I bleed and burn.